Lowe's has an absolutely insane number of tools under $40. So I went out and bought 10 of the most promising ones to find out which one of them actually deserves a spot in your shop. And one of these has a hidden feature which might make it the smartest tool in the entire lineup. I'm not just talking about packaging claims today. I'm cutting, marking, measuring, organizing, and actually using every one of these. And if you're interested in picking up any of the tools showcased in today's video, the best place to do that is gonna be that YouTube shopping button down below. But as always, I'll put them in the pinned comments and in the description as well. Let's go. So the rules today are dead simple. Every tool had to be available in store at Lowe's, had to be under $40, and has to solve a real problem in a shop, garage, truck, or job site. And at the end of this video, you will see the secret hidden feature of this new Klein tool that had me stopped dead in my tracks. This is the Bosch 10-piece all-purpose T-Shank jigsaw blade set. And it gives you an affordable way to cover wood, scrolling cuts, and basic metal cutting, all in one small kit. This kit includes 10 different blades for clean wood cuts, faster wood cuts, scrolling cuts, and basic metal cuts, up to 1/4 of an inch. The big win here is that you're not buying one specialty blade. You're getting a starter set that can live in a drawer and get you through all the basic jigsaw jobs. Plus, the pop-top storage case gives these blades a permanent resealable home. Now I know the jigsaw blades don't seem all that exciting, but at less than $12 for 10 blades, it's a hell of a deal for what you get. Up next is a tool that is almost always in my pocket on the job. This is the Ox Tools Pro Tuff carbon tip marking pencil. It's basically a deep hole carpenter pencil that can mark where a regular pencil can't reach. It uses 2.8mm lead, and this kit comes with multiple lead types, including graphite and colored leads. The long nose is the real reason to buy it, because you can mark through hardware, brackets, holes, and weird spots where a normal pencil just can't go. It has a positive retention holster, a built-in sharpener, and a 3-position pocket clip. This is one of those tools that once you start using it, you kind of wonder why you ever used anything else. And coming in under 17 bucks, it's a no-brainer in my book. I just wish it came in red. This is the Johnson 6-inch digital caliper, and it gives you inside, outside, depth, and step measurements, without needing to give it your best guess with a tape measure. This measures up to 6 inches or 150 millimeters and gives you reading in inches, millimeters, and fractions. That matters if you're trying to identify hardware, drill bits, fasteners, sockets, or anything where being close enough turns into 3 trips back to Lowe's. It has a locking pin on the side, an auto-off thumb wheel, and a super handsome storage case. So at $39.98, this baby is right under our price limit, so it has to earn its spot. So for woodworking, hardware, mechanical, and tool setup, it absolutely does. This is the Johnson Magnetic Pocket Level. And it's a tiny magnetic level meant for quick checks when the torpedo level may be overkill, or when you just don't have enough room left in your pouch. It has a magnetic base, an oversized curve block vial, and it's small enough to live in a pouch. It also comes with a snap-in belt holster for when you need those one-handed readings. It's not replacing a torpedo level for precision layout, but for quick checks on metal, conduit, brackets, shelves, or a fast homeowner install, it's extremely handy. This is a great example of a tool that's dead simple. It has one job, and it does it well. It can be pretty useful to just about anyone. Next up on our test, we have the Klein 6-inch dual lock impact extension. And it might be one of the coolest tools in the testing today. It gives you extra reach while double locking your bit in, so it doesn't stay buried inside a screw, a hole, or a fastener. This extension is impact rated, uses a standard 1/4 inch connection, and the big feature is the dual lock design. It has a quick release up top, plus a secondary twist lock, so the bit actually stays in the extension until you want it to come out. And for around 10 bucks, this might be one of the easiest buys in the whole lineup. If you use impact drivers, this should go straight into your pouch. But what I want to talk about now is that we are almost at 3,000 subscribers. If you're a tool enthusiast and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I sure would appreciate it, and I think you'd be happy that you did. On to the next tool. This is the Crescent Lufkin G2 35-foot Night Eyes tape measure. And it's a job site tape with long reach, bold markings, and one hell of a rugged case. This version gives you a 35-foot blade with a more than 11-foot standout, which is super useful when you're trying to work by yourself. It has a rugged case, a magnetic hook, a belt clip, and with its neon green marking, it's a blade that's way easier to read than most of the other tapes. This would be the kind of tape that I would buy if I wanted just one main tape measure to keep in the shop or the truck. At almost 30 bucks, this thing is not cheap. But I'll also link the 25-foot version in the description because it's currently half off on the Lowe's app. This is the Wiha GoBox 32-piece security bit set. Wiha! I like to think of it as a cowboy company. Yeah! And it gives you a plethora of storage bits plus a tiny ratchet for fasteners that a normal ratchet just can't reach. This kit includes a 72-tooth mini ratchet, a magnetic bit holder, and a bunch of security bits like security Torx, security hex, spanner bits, Phillips, and slotted. The mini ratchet is a star here because it lets you work in places where a normal screwdriver or drill just won't fit. And if you ever need to diagnose or replace any of the internals of your tools or batteries, you're gonna need this. Plus, it's super compact and can fit into a small pouch or a pocket. So this is not a tool I would use every day, but when you need it, you really need it. And for under 35 bucks with a metal case, I like it a lot. This is the ToughBuilt ClipTech Electrician's pouch. I love it. It gives you a compact way to carry hand tools, testers, fasteners, cutters, pliers, tape, and a hell of a lot more, all without having to wear a full tool belt. This pouch has 13 pockets and loops, ToughBuilt's ClipTech mounting system, a kickstand, a tape chain, a tape measuring clip, and space for small tools like strippers, testers, markers, bits, and pencils. The big advantage is that you can load it up, clip it on when you need it, and take it off and prop it up on a work surface when you don't. So for electrical work, DIY, garage projects, or quick installs, this is one of the absolute most useful tools in the lineup because it makes all the other small tools easier to carry. This is the Ox Tough Shot Green Chalk Deep Hole Marker. And it's meant to mark through deep holes where a pencil, marker, or scribe just can't reach. This can mark up to about 2 inches deep, and the idea is simple. You place the nozzle into a hole, press, and it leaves a chalk mark exactly where you need to drill or fasten. Each cartridge is rated to up to 250 shots, and the chalk is non-permanent, so it can just wipe right off. This is a very specific tool, but it solves a real problem. If you install brackets, shelves, anchors, panels, or hardware, this thing could really save you from bad marks and crooked holes. Coming up next is my favorite tool in the entire lineup today. This is a Klein 12-inch combination electrician square. And this looks like a normal square, until you realize that Klein absolutely loaded it up with a treasure trove of electrician-specific layout features. At the basic level, it gives you a 12-inch stainless ruler, 90-degree and 45-degree layout edges, a built-in vial, and magnetic adjustment. That alone makes it super useful for layout. But this one is really aimed at electricians. It has conduit layout markings, EMT and rigid conduit references, and markings that help identify common conduit sizes. And my favorite part of the tool is right here, the hidden scribe. So when you're laying out material, checking square, measuring, or working around conduit, you got a scribe built right into the tool. That's why this tool made the thumbnail. At $35, it is not the cheapest tool, but it is absolutely the most feature-packed. I love it. So there are a plethora of tool options at Lowe's for under $40. But if you want to see what $20 Klein and Milwaukee tools I was able to scrounge up, check out this playlist right here. So as always, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. God bless.